Hello everyone, this is the latest news from the Netherlands and it's bad news for the Dutch people. There's a new law coming. It has been decided today that on all the highways there will be a maximum speed limit of 100 kilometers an hour. And on a lot of roads until now it was 130 kilometers an hour. So this is bad news for people driving in the Netherlands. It'll take quite longer to get some places, of course not when it's close, but even in a small country as the Netherlands, there are some long roads and some distances you can go. For myself personally, I have to go to Brussels now and then by car. This will also take me longer to travel, and we have to wait also for the results of the traffic jams. How will those develop with a speed limit of 100 kilometers an hour? So why did the government do this? They want to cut back the amount of nitrogen oxides in the air. Suddenly this became a problem and everything was blocked. The construction sector was blocked, so no more houses could be built and all kinds of other problems that came into existence. And it's really a strange thing, you know, suddenly there's a crisis. It's about nature, about health. But if you look at the data, you can see that our average age, our life expectancy is increasing all the time. But somehow this stuff is a problem now. And the government decided that a solution would be to reduce the maximum speed so that less nitrogen oxides would be released in the air. So with that, it will compensate for the 70,000 houses they want to build by next year. So I'm really wondering, for who are we building those houses? Because the Dutch population is not really covering itself when you look at the birth rate. So what's going on? You know, we have to drive less fast for houses to be built next year. This is the crazy type of logic we are facing now with the government in the Netherlands. You've seen it in the earlier videos about the farmers' protests. It's all about the same type of rules they are implementing. You've seen the construction protest, the teachers' protests also regarding investments. And today is, you know, another low with these new rules, which really affect a lot of people in the Netherlands. So these rules will be during the day. So in the evening you'll still be able to drive 130 kilometers an hour after 7 o'clock until 6 o'clock in the morning. But during the day, which normally most people have to drive to work or anything else, you have to keep to the speed limit of 100 kilometers an hour. So that's it for today. See you next time in another video.